like we're gonna be able to get on the tower today. It's a nice, beautiful day today. It says it's supposed to be 70, 75 with 8 or 9 mile an hour winds and 0% rain all day. Starting about 8 o'clock this morning, and that was about an hour and 45 minutes ago. And there is no rain that they're calling for until 1 or 2 tomorrow morning. So we're going to get these 2 APs put up on the tower. I got a text saying the door hangers are in my town and getting set up to be delivered. It came in on UPS. I don't know if they're going to switch it over to the post office for them to deliver it, or UPS is going to deliver it. I have no idea. Sometimes they'll switch it over, and sometimes they'll just deliver it. I don't know exactly which service the ones that sent it out, what they used. But getting the APs up today, and it looks like getting the door hangers in today. It's going to be a nice day if all this happens. And then I can go out and put the door hangers out tomorrow, go do some testing in the areas with some CPEs, get them all up and ready. So it's going to be a wonderful day. I like when things come together like this.
Welcome to Starbucks. I'll be right with you. I am so sorry for that. Wait, what can I get started for you today?
I will have a large latte iced with peppermint.
Alrighty, what else for you?
That should do it.
Okay, that'll be $5.40 at the window.
Thank you. Got to get my coffee. It's going to be a long day. Beautiful day.
Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Beautiful day. Glad I'm able to do something on the outside. I feel sorry for them people that have to do that desk work.
Anything else for you today?
Stuck inside with beautiful weather like this.
$8.99 at the window. You're welcome.
I'm gonna get my coffee and head to the tower and get everything set up and wait for my climber to get there and make a great day. Alright, got my guy climbing up. He's getting there. He's like me, take my time.
go up 15-20 feet, rest and enjoy the view, and then go up another 15-20 and just enjoy the view with this kind of weather. It's a beautiful day to be up there. If it wasn't for my bad knee that acted up, I would be up there instead of him. Well, he's about 80-85 feet. He's more than halfway there. Last time I was up, I tied off the rope and just tied it at the bottom of the tower. One less thing we got to take up, so we can drop the old dish down, put up 2 sectors. He's got about 10 feet to go according to the steps that I see on there, on the braces, which is 2 feet apart. There's 5 or 6 of them left above his head. So he's got about 10 feet. Just sent up the 1.25 inch pipe to add on to the bracket up there, so we can actually mount 2 radios on the same mount. And he probably will be sending down the other radio as soon as he gets that bracket or that pipe screwed in, and then I can send up the first sector. He might actually want both of them since they're so light, but he wouldn't have a place to put one to actually wait to install it, so probably just one at a time. You don't have no platform up there to lay anything on, so in this case less is more. Now he's tying the rope to the radio that he's getting ready to take down. Then start loosening up the bolts, slip it off the pole, and lower it down. It's easy work when you get there, but you cannot rush it. Really, the hardest part is climbing the daggone tower. And you have to take a break when you get there, and then tie off multiple spots and do the work. All right, we got the first radio mounted, pointed, tied down, and plugged in, and she is showing up hot online. Now it's time to get the next one up.